Mitch's World of Woods, brought to you by Surrey Timbers Limited, suppliers of local and exotic hardwoods. European Beech, Fagus sylvatica. European beech is a hardwood native to Central Europe and the UK. Mature examples can reach a height of up to 45 metres with a breast height diameter of up to 1.2 metres. Mostly straight grained, it has a fine texture and broad rays. Heartwood is pale pinkish brown, reddish brown when steamed. Has silver grey bark, smooth or slightly rough, sometimes with rippled patches or ridges. Many branched, large domed crown, commonly dark green glossy, oval or obovate leaves with wavy margin and short teeth. Its copper beech variety has distinctive purple leaves. It has high crushing strength, medium impact resistance, bending strength and stiffness. It's good in steam bending. It's difficult to dry, tending to split, warp, check and shrink. It has poor dimensional stability, poor durability and is susceptible to insect attack, and its specific gravity averages 0.72. It's moderately easy to work with hand or machine tools, has a moderate blunting effect on edge tools, it chops okay, bores okay, glues very well, nails and screws require pre-boring, it stains well and it polishes to an excellent finish. Its uses include furniture and cabinet making, workbenches and tools, turnery, musical instruments, plywood and decorative veneers. Sustainability wise, it's not on the CITES list, but it's on the IUCN Red List as least concern. Used widely from sustainable sources. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio. If you've got some wood that I haven't covered yet in this series, then I'll be very pleased to include it. And if you send me photos of what you've made with it, I'll include those too.